Izindabeni zokahlanga ngiboni amakhosi ayekhotheme esandlana izindabeni zokahlanga ngiboni amakhosi ayekhotheme esandlana. Ayeshela wasemlanje, ayeshela wasemlanje, avukile, 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 avukile. Oh, hey, Zipisikali, oh zipisikali, zipisikali, oh zipisikali, Uhlasela, hlasela, uhlasela, bayeza, Lucia Pulela, 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 Awelu, Pula, Tongolami, kulekelele sengaphela. Ake kuvuleke amazulu mina ngidabuka emafini sengikhotheme ngaphansi kwelanga ngilala ngaphansi kwanonyaka. Tongolami, kulekelele sengaphela. Ake kuvuleke amazulu mina ngidabuka emafini sengikhotheme ngaphansi kwelanga ngilala ngaphansi kwanonyaka. Tongolami, ayeke ungisondeze eduze kokukhanya kungifanele nami. Ngiyazi ngehlukile kunabanye kepha ngisahamba ngomzimba wenyama. Wena okhethiwe usalindelele ukuvuma. Vuma umoya ukhuluma, ujule, uke ucele emkhathini ukuthi okhokhovula bebayehlise imilayezo yezulu iyehle njengempophoma. Uke ujule njengesizima umfula ugcwele ngamanzi ophila ngena ungesaba. Ngelosi yami yokuphila kunokufa phakathi kokuphila kunokuphila phakathi kokufa. Ngiyacela uke ungebhathise ngamandla okuphila uphinde ungiphe amandla ukwazi ngoba sisaphila emhlabeni usaphandlekile la khona abaningi bathokozela ukubona izandla zabo ziphuca umoya enyameni. Labaningi bathokozela ukubona umphefumulo wehlukana nenyama. Umzimba uyantanta egazini. Ngelosi yami yokuphila ngiyacela uke ungiphe amehlo okubona okuhle ezweni. Uke ungiphe inhliziyo esanomusa nothando. Kakhulukazi ngiyacela ungiphe indlebe kamoya ukuze ngikwazi ukuzwa lezi ndaba engithunyelwe zona kulo mhlaba. Ukuze ngikwazi ukuphetha imisebenzi yakho. Ukuze izulu lingifakazele nami. Ngike ngiqophe umlando njengalaba abasemandulo. Ngelosi yami yokuphila zungakhohlwa lesivunguvungu neziphethu ezisanokungificela. Ngizibona ngisempini nezitha engizaziyo nengazazi. Ngiyacela uke ungiphe ubuhlakani kanye nezikhali ukuze ngikwazi ukuya empini ngihlobile ngiphumelele. Ngoba uma ngawuceli lobuhlakani ngefana noyempini ungahlomile. Ngelosi yami yokuphila ngizibona ngidiza nezithunywa zezulu zithi ukukhanya kungifanele nami. Kwabangithandayo ave kuyoba isibusiso khona. Kwabangizondayo ave kuyoba isiqalekiso khona. Ngelosi yami yokuphila ngiyacela ube ungilekelele ngoba izindlebe zami zizwa kude kunalo mhlaba. Amehlo ami abona okude kunalo mhlaba. Ingakho ngisacela ungibonge ungithakasele la ithongo lingibanga khona nala izithunywa zingikhonzela khona. Ukuze ithongo liphole ezithunywa umoya ekufeni kwenyama. Ngizibona ezintabeni kuyehlela imilayelo yezulu. Ekufeni kwenyama ngingaphansi kwamanzi aminzi. Ngelosi yami yokuphila ngiyacela ungangishiyi endleleni sisahamba lolu hambo lwempilo. This is my last one. Sithandwa sami ngizizwa ngisemoyeni uma nginawe. Ngizizwa sengathi ngidlula namafu phakade lami. Ngiyacela sike sihambisane kulolu hambo. Ake sidibane ekujuleni kwesiziba sike sigezane lamabhadi ukuze sikwazi ukubuyisela amandla sithele. Sithandwa sami ungizwe kahle lana ngithi mina ekujuleni kwenhliziyo yami usuhlezi nethezeka. Ngizokuhlonipha ingunaphakade uma nawe uzongithanda ingunaphakade. Eyami nawe isekujuleni kwemfihlakalo lapho amathongo asifika esibayeni sodwa. Uze wazi ukuthi ukhethekile kulolu hambo lwami lwempilo. Ngiyavuma inhliziyo isanokuba isiphukuphuku sathuthela ingqondo ikulekelele kulolu daba lothando. Ubone kahle ukuthi inhliziyo isikukhethile lo othandayo. Kuphinde kube inkinga uma ungazi noma lo othandayo uhambiselana nalokho kwenhliziyo yakho. Isanokuzibuza nami uma bethi inhliziyo ayiphakelwa besho ukuthi yakhe kahle. Ngoba lo engithandayo uzokuxhayela ingane yakhe. Sithandwa sami, ngizwe kahle la. Ngikhuluma ngalolu thando olungenancazelo kodwa izenzo zakho zisho okuningi. Kanti-ke inhliziyo isanokudideka ngoba-ke ngizasho ukuthi uthando luyisidakamizwa senhliziyo luphinde lube ngathi usitshevu. Ngoba zithi sezivumelene lezinto ingqondo nenhliziyo sinokuzibona siyenza izinto ezenzwa yiphuphu zothando. Isithandwa sami ngisanokudideka la ngithi uma ngikubuka khona nje ukuthi ingqondo isihambile. Isithandwa sami ngicela ungakhele umuzi enhliziyweni yami. Ake sakhe ubuhlobo mina nawe. Ngiyabonga.
Ngicela niphinde nimshayelele izandla. Her name is Imbongi Yezanusi. You guys can do better than that. Oh. Yeah! Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the cameras. Come on, camera and shoot. Is he shooting me or is he chatting? Oh my God, he's chatting. All right. We're going to move on to the next performer. Because people are chatting. I'm thinking you are taking camera shots because... Stop up, listen. What are you doing? You are chatting. You are allowed to chat. Yes, the gate is very far. You are allowed to chat. Yo, you will help me welcome the next performer to the stage. Where is my English? Oh, it's somewhere. I love it. We are weed lovers. If you are not weed loving with us, the secondary stuff will get to you. You will find yourself, man, enjoying the show. It's like, oh, it's nice. There is water also. Do not get dehydrated. Put some hands. Thank you very much. I'll be welcome to the stage. The one and only. The lady who was the first person to really correct me and say, my name is not that. My name is this. And I was like, I respect. Therefore, I shall get it right. The next time I call you to the microphone. Please help me with the warmest of the welcomes that you can give me. The one and only Rat Flower. Shine his eye down.
Angizi ngoba ngingcono. Angizi ngoba ngingenasono. Angizi ngoba ngiyusumba. Futhi angizi ngoba ngichitha ulwazi. Ngiza ngoba ngathoza ukuphela ukwazi ukuze lihle nani. Ngiza ngoba yami yadangala mangoni sesweke isodade benu kubambe eqaphe izidingo zomhlaba. Lalela ukalisise wena ngalela uhlela phezulweni. Wena ungezinyawo. Wena unyathela ngabantwana nawe noshanguze etshoyo phansi igaba umbale imali phela intombi yakwamdluli. Lalela izinto zamanzi engwakhipha ngomlomo wami. Yeah. Mina intsha. Thina intsha saziwa ngokupha abazali iy'nkinga esibona sineqashontenzi yangakusasa uyashaya uyaphuza uyaxwayisa uyathanda ukusengeza imthiyo uhlezi ulala ngenkomo nginhle kodwa ngiyakhuthaza ngisukuma vuka emaqandeni muntu omusha isikhathi singakadliwa yinja abanye baphuma baze bakhathala besoloko benibabaza abazali sebaphonsa ithawula imiphefumulo yabo iyabuka uma mehlabe wehlathina bancane abahle emehlweni omphakathi bancane abatholela impumelelo ngenxa yokusebenza ngokuzikhandla ingabe wena ukhona esibalweni na ubude emanzini ampondjwana uhlukumeza idakamizwa uzilise ngathi wona umthobo wokuphila zigcine shiwe nihlukumezekile awulale ekhaya uthela undwaza ucabanga nje indawo uhlezi usihamba angimgxeki ngala lokhu sekuba indlela yokuphila impilo iseba ngokutalana kahle kule isithunzi sakho nokuziqhenya ngobuntombi bakho kahle kule isithunzi sakho nosikhuluma amajida akho ngililakho sawuthola sosifana ngililakho sawuthola sohlukumezwa indoda ngoba wazi nokuthengela i-gross ngibona sengathi abadala bazilutho abadalalele ngibona abasizayo ukuhamba lenyathuko ukuphila lempilo enzima ukuhamba lendleleni akumeba phaphama nje ungacabanga ukuthi uyeshama phaphona esikhele ushayela ejemet kamars ubona ngathi ladies man phaphama ntombazane ungadlala abafana ngangenileyo godphologies ayuzithole sosipathi phaphama ntsha ushayele phezulu zithi ungathi uzazi ukuthi ubani thatha ithuba uzibuke esibukweni ubone ubuhle bendalo zibheke ezinhlambini zamehlo ubone amagugalele ngaphakathi thuthuka muntu onsundu ulungisele ikusasa lakho ufeze amaphupha akho ikusasa lakho ezikhabazile elindele mina nawe ukuthi sikuthathe ngamandla ngaphandle kokwesaba ngaphandle kokungabaza sihambe ngokuzibisela babela qina ikusasa liyeza. Wow, that's lovely. So the next piece is titled Egibita. Kwakungcono ngabe eGibhithe ngcono ubunzima baphambili kunalobu esibhekene nabo namhlanje abasekhaya bayozwa ngaleli bali izindlebe zingasezwa sebelele ethuneni belele kuthongo bokufa bengenqane babasele ngalokho kwayingehlela ngoba ngezwe umzimba uqhaqhazela ngezwe amatha kuyela kwasuka uma ngizama umlomo ngithi mkhazini ngalokho kwayingehlela inhliziyo sishaya kakhulu ngase ngaphuthuma ngaye lapho kunanga ngitshaya izinyembezi zami bengeke bathwalisa umthwalo wami njengomuntu ethwalisa uJesu sona wazoyichitha igazi esiphambanweni bengeke ngikwazi ukumbheka ey'nhlambini zamehlo ngitshela ukuthi intombi yakhe akusiyona intombi ngenxa yomgodo engenanhlonipho nesimilo isidlamile esangidlekule esangiphuzuko lami esangenza ngithandabuze amangekabudala ngizibuza ukuthi ukephi uma lokhu kwenzeka isikhathi sesahamba sona isikhathi sesahamba kodwa lemicabango isangumqanqo ikhula kanjalo namaqala ngalohlobo yingakho namhlanje ngibe phambi kwengizongembulela isifuba sami mhlawumbe lokho kuyokunikeza inkululeko nokukhula manje hamba nami mlaleli ngikubalisele leli bali size, hands grabbed tightly on my clothes one, searching for it, reaching for it, covering it as soon as it finds it, sensing my sudden urge to shout, my heart beating so fast, being the only other sound heard apart from this heavy breathing by this masculine figure falling on my neck. Room looked so dark as I lay there in doom, as I lay hapless, defenseless, and feeling so worthless, as my temperature close to a timber roof, as I am in this third panic, struggling to wrestle myself on this horror that I am experiencing, but this hold on me became stronger and stronger and stronger, hurting me and making me realize that there is no escape in this horror that I am starring as being character in. You see, he wriggles up and down my body, my temple, he, an ape is my virginity, my treasure, he, the perpetrator, I, the victim, and he, the monster, my eyes releasing what symbolize but cannot begin to embody my amount of agony, little streams of tears roll down my cheeks, my lungs exhausted from screaming in vain, he came in like a soldier, delegated the task to carry, like he was on a mission, radiant, excited to complete it, he came in like a star planted its eyes on its prey, on what was to become a feast, my heart in shreds, my body in pain, my mind soaked in bitter hatred, my attitude negative, my reflection in the mirror, a reminder and the remainder of that day. Moving forward, I keep on going. Time might heal the wounds, but might is just a suggested word. So rest isn't really assured. Vengeance is what I sought, but forgiving is set myself free. Free from pain which pierced like a dagger. Free from pain which cut that fine vein of tender skin. Forgiving for me in peace. So the next piece is titled okay, let's just one here. Young in my prior reading plan, HIV, flop, Mutangagazi, very heat always looking for the needs, and see more years more taking what can we resist. Giving us a couple of shy one and what's to look up by Sitagan, comment and I got to my ceiling and a macama. I got to figure a pangate, a bangi, petty palatala, left and right for all kinds of mother, beauty, cheer the bones, I wish I to sled and I do get your key and covered. Oh, there's a bit of a house, there's another shy on them. I'll stop being naive, my prayers of Africa would have been about the only except for trust is expensive, but I'm a face ever. Lie to you, but she will let I said that to your keys. Right, come to think of it, that makes me an hypocrite because my set of beliefs does not correspond with my way of living. 5 years down the line, singular conscious of mind of senior son of the bar, the line of hurting and fragile feelings, some sound expanders and trying to secure in Kake, but we can be a go very good to women's news or a brother to Mazegi, what was wrong to one of Sega Willie, Namda saying I tell you, but after all these ends, when Zegili, is a reliable lady later by Penny. You could have been so to pay the light was about to say about course, which is the same. By the way, that one is simple Sunday little Suzanne, like a oh, HIV, the only attention I'm getting now is from the person I get on my heels with pills. Same time, class style swing, but it's not about the walk, compared on the talk. Because he might just be talking all the way to his bedroom. I'm talking from experience because once the kind of guy I love was my most sweet, just a beautiful guy. That's the reason why I'm so gonna die. Ufungazi ke isala kutshelwa sibona ngoba this is titled Black Skin. Crazy how life works. And then our words would actually be mightier than swords. They had swords would never make it this far, for they thought our blackness was like a white stain on a white shirt, clumsy and out of place. They thought black was down, they thought black was down, they thought they shoot us down, they thought we wouldn't be proud. What are the chances that these magical secret species would escape this degrading clothes? What were the chances that they knew anything other than more after all their townships for war zones and crime scenes? They had tombstones to honor their dead dreams, exhausted mothers, tired from chasing deadbeats. What were the chances of flowers would go from concrete? I guess they had never heard of the term groundbreaking. They had never heard of Mafda Valley, where they had never heard of Mugabe Pete. They stamped black with suffering. They stamped black with suffering, thinking the same as our identities, draping our necks like money cows, wives of girls, tying our waists like we had one black cloud to each flash. We are far more great than what they thought. We are far more powerful than what they envisioned when they thought of their wildest dreams and deeds, fears. They thought we'd be illiterate, thus being perplexed at how eloquent we are. We do not stutter, for we are fluid in who we are. Our stars are evidence of our stories. Our stars are evidence of our tenacity. Our story and past, a driving force to our betterment. You cannot use it to shame us. You cannot shame us. You cannot tame us. For black is king, black is strong, black is gold, black is magic, and black is a dream. Because black is king. Thank you.
Stop. It's a fiasco underneath the sun. Stop. That's where that came from. So I need you guys to please. Nani lapho ngaphandle mshana. Mshana in the first table. VIP table. You will assist me with the warmest of the welcomes you can give me. Noma ngabe kuthiwa tikatsathi mnanzi. Please put it down so that you can be able to clap. Noma ngabe kuthiwa kuyaphuzeka kuyasheleka. How milk put it down so that you can clap with the warmest of the warmest you can give me. Welcoming to the stage, the one and only Sive Kajoyi. Hands on, come on.
I'm fixing myself because the planning coming is under war. And so, remember, guys, so it's like I really want to come in his hand. So, this is what we tell what I'm going to then come in his hand. So, please make some noise for me! Yes! Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for Sive Kajoyi! Yes! And I hope God will go to the heavens of the Father. Now, you can talk to Samuel and the Father says document. About the introvert, I won't say that the introvert is an end. But anyway, come on to Sive Kajoyi. Kwazakhiwo zisibhakabhaka namafokotho kwamoya umnuka amaphupha avuthayo nesikogolo kwanyama iphelele emazinyweni entsokolo jikelele imithwalo yam ndawo yayifulathela impithizelo yeendonga eziminxe ibhongqongo ukuze zibigqube umhlaba okwezinja zikhongozela ithambo ngomlomo athi siluma isandla esibethule idisela insundu ukuze liphile ifulathele imigaqo yayo yawucinezela nomphefumulo ukujuza ushulisi itshola ibhongqongo namaziko wabo qalelo lokudlisa seyonjo indlela sesengenayo iminyango yogelemo isikele zidinga abaqheli abenza isivumelwano sokuziqhawula impiko bahulusele ngaphakathi kwezibiyeni eziyimithetho yegongqongqo yeke iphephe ungalithibi lithe kaphungela ungalinqiki nenembovane enjalo yaphulukana nenqathi emlonyeni ukhomboze ncama ungathi ukwela umntu esandleni siqokelele zonke izitho kuwo nabafulathela abakhuthaza ngokurhweba ngezakhono zabo lo moya ndizakuphefumula uyinkunzane nemvakalelo sihlafumela singameva iphendula ngolo hlobo xa bendibuza ukubana kwanza lonke luhlathi that was the first poem and then lapho ndiqhubela khona isizwe apho ndisuka khona indlala isazi ngamagama isibizana ngezithuko ngoba yazi zonke izizukulwana zekhaya sisoka sethu semihla ngemihla umoya esiphefumulayo singamakhoboka kuyo ngesiqamangelo komqokozi emqaleni isiqoqodisele inhlanga phistopha zibonitha esinye sibabhela phezulu ngathi sekhaya sitshele impuku ngokikata inanda kudla ilele sikilwa lezinto ezigcwalayo ayifuna amanzi abilayo le inempilo esikaphokothoba ngabadala sihlinza ekhaya sitshela ofelelwayo kodwa iphinde kuye la kuhlala khona ezinto moya phezulu lapha phambi kwindlela yabantu bamnyama ngoba sibhodla umhlalezo sibuza nempilo lesingenayo ngayo ukuthi abantu abamnyama yakushukushuza phela khona abanye bethi fika nje bephupha seqwalela ngokuhlohla isakhe bayikhophelisele ngemali yomuntu omnyama ophela ikhoboka apho sisuka khona abantwana bazalwa befike izolo soyisekezana ngoba indlela osabaziso uzophikela ngamaphiko impilo abantu abayiphila kubantu kwezonyawo zinika kade sebethwele ixalo balokuthi isihlangu usabo bangambi nayo bahambe igama abanye athona ngamagama wabo babayambi apho kusuka khona insana sithathele ingoma sokulala ngolina nje ngendlela yokuthulisa ukuxukuzana kwamathumbu lokushobelelisa abadukana amagama wabo apho kusuka khona sesafana indawo yokuhlala umphuma umfula wethunzi lokufa sitikela ngomvulo wenhlutha eyethu bakade sivuka esivukayo ifelele gusha apho kusuka khona baninzi abasuka khona abasuswa ukusuka komsuka kwinhlali zakhona kanti nabafika khona basuswa ukuthukwana nomhlaba apa kule big list yabo yaba announcement ukusweleka omla ephakeni thana ngehlisa yami yonke. His name is Bravo Lero, and it's a poem that I wrote a long time ago. That kind of like speaks to yonke into eyenzekayo to us as well. Siqaqanjelwa inhliziyo ukubona abantu abethu bephila ngokulandelelana. Beqelisa amaqabazi qabaka athulika kumagqabo ukuthi ushukunyiswa ngoyo ukuya kuzityala emhlabeni. Mhlalezolo sigcwala emswaneni. Lokuhlaba usiginya kanye uyindoda nje nawe usesiqhingeni madoda. Iliwa libheka umoya sidinga ukuchaza kwakhona ukuthina ngoba sithwasuleke kumnyameni. Ndakwethu akusoze kwesithuke kudodeni bakho kufana umhlobo ogxala abanye bantu. Ngisoloko lilinga ukuphongozela ulwandle kwenyembezi zakho sezisiza ngamaza ihlobo ehlisa ingalo sifudumeleyo soloko zilinde ukwanga ihlobo zindlela wonke ungahuqela inyawo ukumamela ngamanye amaxa uthi ukumanyelwa kunokucetyiswa zonke inhlungu ezinazo zibelekise kumagama wakho umlomo utsho ukuthi emphefumulweni khetha ukuphila ndawethu. Kwelikhaya limenje ngesiboko kulengeni liguthuleleke lona lifuna ke namnyama lingqoke isimpundulu namantshontshazo lithotshe lesisikhoba ngaphezulu kosana ndipheka sihlanguzi abawomphungu ezingenamlungu sesizabhala umlomo zintambo zesigaba sikwazi lokudlulisa umyalezo kwazi umkhuba inyawo zami zikhulu kakhulu kwazi ngalingana zizo ziyapheba sikhumbuza selikenyana siziba siphoqa Titathulu siyabeleshela izitshalo zakhe egadini namayeza wakhe kwazi amagama nditaphuze igama ukuyacela isithole edolophini ukuzikhanyela kwami ukukhabela kuthi inqolo ekhaya lokwamkela ukujikela komphefumulo kulempilo ukuthi kuyinhlakarondo komelele nabantu bokuhlala babona larondo bawo wabakhanda phansi kothango uthewa ngqondo ngoba nami lakhipha isintu nomtsalana abaninzi bafuna ezikhaya kodwa ngaphakathi wona ke uyabona nobuhlanti qongophela xa usondela kuyo uyazibona intanga eziluxinzelelo lwengqondo ezenza lorongo ushukume xa kufika imimoya enzima akhubuzo kwaxisa abantu ekuhlaleni kungaphuma kaloku kubasile xa niphakamisa inyawo ndiyathela nengaba zenhliziyo kamama yokuba yathi sakho ekhaya ezinye sesanyibelekela kunyembezi zakhe esigabeni emphadeni bekwemva kwetango wekisa abantu elikhaya lokhiwe ngothando lwakhe namhlanje kugcina inhlupho yakhe baluxobulile ufele lwakhe balinamathekisi edongeni ndiyasinde isikhala esifakanayo sisaphela ngamandla nase mininzi esinye into leyo akho mqanso uyaphindisa ehlupho Yasekhaya usengaphisi ngenhliziyo yakhe ebhekele uthando kuzange esinawo umuntu womlilo. Izange esisoloko sikhongozele nje, esisoloko sikhongozele nje ukuphelisa inhlungu ezizame kulona wenake ezinza. Ufumane imithuzelo, imfudumalo, kulonwabo oluzakuluyo. Isiphiwo sikadadethu ukufihla inhlungu emva konqubo lwakhe. Nokuntyilozwa ingoma ngelizwi liphuma libhathezi emhlophe. Isange sonke aphendule isikhumbuzo nokufudumala ngothando lwakhe. Thina ngobukho bakhe siphelele kodwa kuye ubukho bakhe buyinhlekelo. Ukhumbula intombi wazalwa eyiyo eyanyamalalisa esitalatweni ikhukuliswa zikhuphula zokukhulu. Zashiya umama labantwana oliyiso injogo ndliyo hambe ethipele esifubeni. Olaletje inyembezi kaVictoria nosisi ulaletje inyembezi zakhe nezabantwana bakhe. Maxa wambi ukhupha isiqephe samagama afika ahlabe kabuhlungu enhliziyweni kwenza nokwancothula ngokukhatshwa inhlungu. Siyamqonda ekhaya, siyabona umsindo phezu kolinqumo lokusela yamukeli yemiso. Kanti-ke namanxeba asemhlana azabika inyawo abemi inkomo zifumana kuyimbiliso. Ngenhliziyo bakusibamba basikeke. Sakama phezu kwabo ngemini ithobole wezinhliziyo bezibanjiswa abantu ezingabathandiyo ngenqaba. Xoxa inhliziyo. Impumelelo isekuhlambulukeni kwabo. Isandla sikazi ukuthulwa iqhubela phambili yabanye abantu. Kuliwa lakuhlala libheka umoya phila. Ngoba zakufuna ifudumalo kuwe baqhaqhazeliswa ngumkhenco wenzele ikhaya inhliziyo yabo. Mawunyibilike baphila abantu, nyibilike baphila abantu. Ngoba kubafezekayo lapha. Ngifake kukhona kabike ukuthi uThixo khona. Ngokathi bayazi izithixo zifake ngaphansi kwamalungelo wethu. Ngokuthetha nje konke kuyavuleka. Kuyakhileka. Idoda kangatyala lemile zisoloko ligembezela. Iphakele bona amandla wanikalona basunika eqinisa umqondo. Aqinise nengqondo kunika ithemba lihlamba amehlo kokubona kokungisi. Umthandaza uvuselela ithemba. Uvuselela ithemba lakho kuwo. Uyumsinsebenzo kuwe kodwa kokuqala lokhenko wenzele ekhaya inhliziyweni yakho. Mawunyibilike baphila abantu, nyibilike baphila abantu, nyibilike baphila abantu. Uthini indaba ezininzi ezimali ufanayo zibhabhale. Kanti-ke nababa abathani namaphika afanayo akhanya kunye ngoko-ke ibali babathani. Yamkela impiko ziphelele insuku zokuba ngumyeki. Uyilento kufanele ube yiyo kwencana kukhula ungasiphiki. Beka isandla esifubeni ukuthi lonwabo lumele kukuzinze ngoyeni. Ivumele imiyole limele kuphefumula ngonyathela endleleni engenamuntu. Ukukhanya kwayalelwa ngumdalo ukuba kugungele umhlaba babathane-ke landela ilanga. Lolu isandla ulungisela ukuyigana xa iphilwa sifa ngabanye kwezedubulayo. Kodwa kokuqala lokhenko wenzele ekhaya inhliziyweni yakho. Mawunyibilike baphila abantu, nyibilike baphila abantu, nyibilike baphila abantu. There's more to them. I love doing this poem everywhere I go. Because part of Pila Baban, especially part of Pila Baban Abanyam. Open seconds no parang oh I'm there for this school. You know, there's always a back that you want to do. So every time I do this poem, I'm trying to say, look, man, this that like this is good. My left hand, there's a finger there that is not occupied. Yogazi inontumo oluzanzilongo. Inhliziyo yami yakhela wena. Wena ubuhle bendalo uqobo nabo kuyaqhutha phambi kwakho ngokule kombatho kufanele. Ukutya ngokubende nje kuba inhliziyo yami iphama phiko. Ayibeka kuli flesto bakuthale uphumana nje izantyala zemvula. Ezethi nyanxasi zamanzi agelezele emasimini. Nakwintyatyabe esithi xa siphefumula zibiza ababathane lapha baphakamise esiswini xa kuthikathi. Nawe nxebela ukuntshila kwivimba lothando lwakho kanti namehlo wami uselefana indawo yokumathela ubuhle bakho ubonisa umbono wami nokukhothamisa isidalo ngoba naye ucela kuwe gxile obaye ubuhle bufiselo bakho ukuthambisa njalo izinkonzo zakumthungo wendaba okwengelo umbuso olusu lwakho uthambisa kokoko esingenaqandwa nakunaphakade umlimo odilisa indonga zasexesha nonabo ufikelele kwiliqelisayo yapho sobe sisinkwenkwezi thina sibantu esibukola siqala mathe esijolisa imiqondo yazo phezulu sibonele ukuba sithi yabona kulo moya uyehluleka ukucacisa into yaphana yenjongo endinazo ezisobisile ngazame cela kulo njalo iqobo lwami ngaphambi kwakho unyathele phezu kwalo nje ukubona inkosi becela ukuzenzela ikhaya enhliziyo yakho egolide khona ukuze kulenge lento edala yaxana nazo zingxaki soloko ndisazi ekhaya kuleyo inkosi
Favorite Xhosa extended metaphor stanza. It's in that poem that it did. If tentatively, the thing that it does, what makes it very interesting for me is that it lives in the English language, as in like, these shoes are too big for me to fill. Or he has got big shoes to fill, right? So that concept, he says he is looking or he's being called by his grandfather's shoes. But because of life, this mouth type of an image that you see has gotten to a point where it looks like it's sealed. And then he continues, he explains what causes that particular problem within these situations that we find ourselves. Further down the poem, he talks about his sister, who has become very, very good in hiding the pain and whatever. But I just love what it does in a statue. Some Kulu who is no longer here, and these shoes have got to fill. I love you, keep doing what you are doing, man. Tell him keep the footing. Man.
Yo 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 yo. Ay ay yo. Ay ay yo. Barimburu pareti. Gelen mawana utara papana. Zoguteti ujala bwati. Yo 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 yo. Ay ay yo. Ay ay yo. Barimburu pareti. Gelen mawana utara papana. Zoguteti ujala bwati. No, I will never leave you down. No, I will never laugh at your tears. No, I will never, ever bend the bridges you left to cross. Believe my truth. It's only the ways of love I know. Here I am, and from the heart of hearts, Inaya, Ivantarelo, Ikinaya, Odisan, Amore Nache, Porque Kinaya, Yadifan Farelo, Yekinaya, Odisan, Amorina Che, Auriado, Nakitabe, Layetwan, Akere, Imufutana, Yoreteo, Unalena. Yakiri Oro Yana Uriche Nagena Ifenao Urti Twalo Esaleo Tatile Eompo Kizite Mazwalu Mijale Itabi Chesa Timomo Timama Himama Timama 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 Himama Timama Oh yo 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 Timama 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 yo yo Timama 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 Stu Isto Nana Malo Unkiza Labinamba Mahuado Olo Yakai Katiriti Sikari Sabaloi Stoki Manameka Horata Itamutono Kikalape Magomaka Ditebatu Ekatiriti Sikari Sabaloi Heaven has defied all myths by gathering thunder with a crash of oblivion, and the mighty waters of grace fell out of the face of man. We were at will. We saw the first light closer to our bed, with our eyes floating in murky water sounding songs of time that began. We stayed at will to cry, seeking the return to our first bed. Now hence these tears to fill the cup and quench the thirst of our eternity, and the magic story shall be heard in the orchestra, longing for freedom. Barukhobokaramba kabali bamatoko wote bilelwa yalo na naka na tutubolo aitani bakhayi no bakutite irilo khutla pito tsalo na tsa maruping tupoyalo na ya burupotsa bakhatla ba khatlile le sa buikega ka ditebetsa ga bele gonne lona le ba lo tsona ga kaine liba gonne buti khala buti kapa ho ke tswa bana buti khala buti kapa ho ke tswa bana ha kwa le tsona ga mmago le rabo. Remember, when I arrived in this city, they say we must always remember who we are. But now suddenly I remember as I look at this moment of time. My name is Prophet J.D. I'm the foreign page in the chapters of books of heroes. I featured page number 10 as they tell you, but where I really speak is page number 7. Now gone to find my sovereign, had they gathered in whisper, chanting verses of my liberty, but never say you are wondered of me being on my own. Look, I did not write the blues in the ghetto. Neither did I build the deconstruction curfew of the landscape of the city. But as soon as I saw that things were deteriorating, I sat down with God. I made him an offer just to love my work. Oh, brothers and sisters, mothers and fathers, I'm here today to request the order of the universe to shine amongst you, beloved. As I enter the book of pleasures of anticipation, here in this place, I see you. I feel you. I see the dreams that have disappeared with the touch of a morning light. Now, through the tunnels of your eyes, all reality is revealed. That yearning and persistence. But the reality I see in your eyes, it is that kind of fire. It reveals who you are. But the sadness and loneliness which you have inherited from your mother's womb and your father's seeds continues to darken the light in you. I am not sending you home to go and curse your mothers and fathers. I want you to begin a new path and find your way in the pleasures of anticipation. Perhaps today I should come here to say that I'm here to talk about flowers. Just to have a good smell abound for the echoes of my sadness and never peace, man. It is not only flowers I came to talk about. There are butterflies as well, basking on the radiant colors of blossoming flowers. You don't know how happy I am to tell you that this beautiful story, it has no reference to your eyes, neither to my own. But there have been ways and symbols for this story to be. There was a wailing wind, raging fire of seeking control, a form of absolute belonging. Then it is when I remember that the night was long when I stood up in wonder, shamelessly I stood mind blank. All plan I had was a girl who was a brightness of me, but did not come that hand in that time. So time tired we have to speak. Time tired we have to speak when I consider how my life is spent here up my days, and that world talent, that black talent, which is just death to hide. I sure became unassured. Uncured my soul became, yet not life from grief or danger free. But if these dreams could ever shatter, surely my words I will utter for something that to be ahead, so mysterious or it's a misery. Let's leave it there. Ike yangifikela impiyom zangedwa entabeni engenagama. Emfuleni wesikhathi ngihlezi ngenhloso yokuzigeza amanxeba ophayo. Yet another war of solitude has taken place at the mountains of no name, and by the rivers of time, I attempt to watch the bleeding wounds. Welcome aboard, you drunken lords. I'm so happy to see that you've gathered at the riverbanks of your labor. You came to reap the reward from the sweat of your brow, giving what you sucked from the mouth of your mother's wisdom. But yet, you never tell us, what is your dream? Meloding, and the symphonies of love. I thought about love. I could write stories after stories, chapters after chapters, but love wrote about me. Para kampolo kasi kutwe papilo kuita ya melodi ya lorato. Tutakale tebeo kadmeyone harikita kialo lololo mitla ritelo eto moho melodi ya lorato and the symphonies of love. Where I thought about love constantly, I could write, but love wrote about me. Yo, listen, yes, man, is serious. I'm capable of saying, "Nigga, you talk like you must have been TV of a feeling." Critical, Hatas and Tony, and let's say, "Yako Padilla, no, Kohama, Suku, Melody, Yarato, who and I was a half of no one to only prepare Takame." So, melody, and the symphonies of love. That is where I thought about love. I could write stories after stories, chapters after chapters, but love wrote about me. When I'm building Africa, retaliating a lady, Yarabella would contribute to take Museto. With the genre about Hatisa Bokapilebo Makamai, Jabata Marupin, Melody Yalorado Kaiti Africa was a pizza. Yater Hawaii Mama Serrano, who we suffer for Peppa Yahabu, which a little Nabo Makaratama, Satan Gagarika and Taruna, reached a little house and living to Pianico Namatahabu, Unzo Rita, Katanutra. Finally, melody. And the symphonies of love. Janum Timitame di Kabahansema Fuku. Bilu Felite, Morano Wayone, Tapelotame di Kutile. Nagatonete of Popula di Toro Tame. Sugujo, Society, Nalita Jonati Tabile. Rile Bahusa, Marapoku, Makopani Jaka, Siriba, Kelly, and Jaka Sichito. Mahube, Basirulo, Kababuena, Marupin, Jaka Muana. Tota Hena, one Jame, the Hobukile. Timitame, totally Kabahansema Fuku. This is just a few words that we remember at the moment of time. And right now they come in the first page of Book of Repetition. Of course, it's prophecy line encountering words. The journey beneath the wings of change is the final rise. It is. It has always been and it will always be. So ladies and gentlemen, my name is Prophet JT, and in this way, I salute you.
Please help me again before you guys disappear to the bar, disappear to the upper stairs, disappear to the kitchen. Please help me say halala. Thank you to JT Wogumshine Izanga. Ngicela ningisize to care for everybody. Ngizokutshela how these people were curated. Sifike sezwa isiZulu. Kwaba khona isiZulu. Lesizulu saselokishini. Right? Sezwa isiXhosa. Saphinde samnikeze saselokishini ukuthi hayi no phela lana we understand how this movement happens. And then we went to the Tswana land. Wafike wagibela uFrotmane waphinde wathi hayi nake sigabela ngemnandi. If you haven't experienced how we feel, how we really stand every last Friday of the month, I will show you another way. Mdala kakhulu logcinile, uphathe indawo bephathe indawo. The way I met them, the way I know them, it bridges the gap. Whoa! Brown Dash. Jaman keep Brown Dash. Jaman on the Sepo, you wanna come here?
Me, right now. Oh, see it.
Oh, people are breaking their bones.
Yes.
Oh, look, touch each one. Guys, thank you very much. Alicia and Alexander for sticking around. And also, if you are still here, we are still chilling, drinking, and talking. Those of us who smoke, we will smoke. And we will leave when we leave. It's I guess enough. Because as the year progresses, we are figuring out how do we make sure that this does not keep feeling like Samuel song in terms of the curation. Right? So the idea is to give him an opportunity to mix and masala the performance for us. It was meant to be from this month, but as I was talking to people preparing for this month, I had the lineup sorted for the following month. So then this relationship shall begin in March because we already have the lineup for February as we were putting together the lineup for January. The concept and what we are doing, the idea is like it's really a residency. Without me saying without. All he is doing is standing in, coordinating how he feels it needs to stand, and then he's curating. Yes. So Sugala, are you bringing your alcohol? Because if you need to talk,
Yes.
You want to talk or you want to do a poem?
Ah, damn it.
A poem! Who wants to hear a poem? Yeah!
Okay. So I'll do both.
Temple is going to show happening on the show. Temple, couple, my people are tired.
Hello, hi.
Hi.
Okay, see. Hello, hi. Jimmy. Hi. So the name is Temple, aka Mr. Bravo, aka the Time Bag, aka Kosejara Makama. Check it. So, let my guys go on next. Y'all can get one. Cool. So, as Babsoko has mentioned, I think from March I'll be taking over in terms of like curating the poets and also emceeing Portuguese Wela. But for now, so that's what I'm doing here. And then on the 28th of February, we're starting a new thing called For the Poets. And I just want new shit there. So whoever is coming through there, whether you're an open micer, whether you're a new poet, whether you're an established poet, I want your new shit. Not your old shit. You've heard your old shit. Start experimenting with your new shit on stage. That's what For the Poets is for. Right. And then meeting some gods. I mean, God, no. What poll do you want? Family, Twala, Umzawalazi. Family, alcohol, Umzawalazi. Family. Oh yes, clap, only fine.
Reach all three of them. And it needs to literally be one more.
I'm trying.
I'm sorry, this is an exercise.
I come from a lineage of open hearts. The men in my family don't mind making a living out of baking. They use swift excuses to pickpocket your savings because no one told them that burying seeds in foreign wombs comes at a cost. Is it any wonder how their spare change came from my father, who loaned himself out just to gain pride from these part-time fathers? I come from a lineage of men too timid to pour love into their own descendants, to raise them into upright branches of our old family tree. And so, they break off, denying their fathers, and us too. Because our vacation plans, still needing money to be home. A money that never settles on black hands that toil to keep white privilege safe. A white privilege that was built on black pain's back of black pain. I've inherited from my father's wilting hands. And my father's wilting hands be watered by white tears that think they can extinguish all this black rage, fermenting in my stomach, and this too will turn into a furnace. I'm also my father's cooking, like a maternal love of each stir. A Marvin's often noting Ma back to life. My father's what happens when you wish for the dead and being answered only by silence. My family is the apology stuck into the grave simple tea. My sister is the salt into my father's tears for his cooking. I am my family's problems. And my father's fiery tongue aimed at my sister. Her rage is turned to ash. I'm a concoction of my father's expectations of me. I'm drowning my father's disappointment of me. I'm downing liquor just to stay afloat. I do every man, drowning anything that feels in ethanol. And also every son who's answered the question of grief through malt. I am missing my mother through malt. I have just replaced my mother with malt. I am tipsy, searching for a bar to contain all of me. I am drunk. Barely breathe. I'm drunk. I barely breathe. I'm drunk. I barely. Here. Those are 3 poems, Mr. Anstey. Anyway, just keep up with it. Signing out. Let's all go. Here for me. Yes.
Yo,
Say bye.
help me say bye-bye to Tempo. Tempo!
Let go. Come on.